So, for example, here's one of the one of the flashcards that my company presents to students, where basically what they're doing is they're working on rhythm and blends. Now, I'm going to demonstrate this for you, and you let me know whether it's integrated or interdisciplinary. So, I'll do this real quick.
1, 2, clap the rhythm.
All right. Top, top, top,
Go.
top, top,
One more time.
top, top, stop.
Now clap each.
Now I'm going to clap the blend.
Rhythm. Go. Let's keep trying. Go. One more time. Now you're good.
Was that integrated or interdisciplinary? Who says interdisciplinary? Who says integrated? Oh, ouch. Ouch. Y'all hurting me. Y'all hurting me. It's integrated. Why is it integrated?
Because the CR doesn't really relate to the sound. If there's not a contextual.
Does these blends is it naturally connected to rhythms? No. It's not naturally connected to rhythms. So it was nice. It was a nice thing. It was integrated. It was nice. That's why I said I'm not knocking integration when it's done right. But was it interdisciplinary? Was it natural? Was it smooth? Was it seamless? No, it was not. I'm going to show you something else. This is another one of our flashcards that we offer to schools. Now this one deals with segmenting, okay? And I'll demonstrate this one as well. And you tell me.
1, 2, clap the rhythm first.
Top, top, top,
Keep go.
top, top,
One more time.
top, 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 stop.
Now clap each letter sounded with them. Go.
Oh,
C, ready, go.
Oh,
One more time.
oh,
Spells.
most. Was that interdisciplinary or integrated? Who says interdisciplinary? Who says interdisciplinary? Evo. Who says integrated? Okay, now this should be fun. Who doesn't know? Because I didn't see him really enjoy it. Okay, all right. This one is a bit tricky, depending on your style of teaching when it comes to reading for your kindergarten and first graders, your beginning readers. But this one is actually can be considered as interdisciplinary.
Even though a closed syllable should have a short vowel sound?
Well, you're talking about as far as
When you decode,
yes,
it should be ox, mox.
yes, but
So
we're not
therefore
focusing on decoding. What we're focusing on is the process of breaking down each phoneme.
Just hearing the sound.
Exactly, or even
So I
when it
guess
comes
it
to
could be
your
right.
syllables.
Okay.
Or even when it comes to syllables, just think of how we teach a word and we teach them to break down the syllables.
Okay.
We usually do it rhythmically. A, bull, anticipate. Most times when you teach it, even though you didn't realize it, you were teaching it to them rhythmically. So that is why I said this one would be considered interdisciplinary. I'm going to show you one more thing, and then I'm going to give you some stuff for you to check out yourself. Now, you don't have to have a musical background in this. Do I have any math teachers or elementary teachers in the house? Okay, all right. Then you guys should get this anyhow because you have enough knowledge base. Again, I want to point that out. You need knowledge base in both subjects in order for it to be interdisciplinary. Now, very quickly, this is a salve. When you see a double bar line, it lets you know that you've completed the whole song. Okay? Make sure you listen to that again. This lets you know that you've completed the whole song. So if I take this whole staff and I create 3 measures, I take bar lines and I've created 3 measures, what did I just do to that song? I divided it into what?
Thirds.
I divided it into thirds. Now my question to you is this. Is this interdisciplinary or integrated? Why is it interdisciplinary? Well, now, question, did I take the math and put it into the music, or was it always there in the music? It was always there in the music. So again, I pose to you, not just for music, for anything. Whatever you're looking for is always in that subject matter. You just have to have the knowledge base and the know-how to be able to expose it. So knowledge base is key. All right? Yes?
I have to have a definition between the two so I can figure it out.
For integrated versus interdisciplinary. Integrated, taking two things and putting them together to make a whole.
Like Frankenstein.
Two different things, just like Frankenstein. And again, not all the time will it be something that's ugly, because I showed you guys the flashcards. Now, it seemed okay, but it wasn't interdisciplinary. I'm not knocking integration again. But interdisciplinary means that it's already related, means that the connection is already there. I'm not making it or forcing it to be connected.
It had math before you were born.
Exactly. All right, so I want to quickly pass these out just to kind of test